While rose water is rich in vitamins that support a healthy scalp, it does not offer extreme hair growth benefits. The idea that it provides extreme growth is a misconception, but a healthy scalp is a prerequisite for good hair growth. Products containing rose water can soothe the scalp and address issues that might hinder growth, such as dryness and irritation. For extreme hair growth, products specifically formulated with ingredients proven to stimulate follicles may be more effective, and a combination of products can also be beneficial. Hair growth benefits from rose water. Rose water supports hair growth by creating a healthy scalp environment. Boosts scalp health. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritation, itchiness, and other issues that can hamper hair growth. Fights dandruff. Its mild antibacterial properties help to reduce dandruff and promote a cleaner scalp environment. Nourishes the scalp. Rose water contains vitamins A, C, E, and betaine, which nourish the scalp and hair follicles. Balances pH levels. Its slightly acidic pH can help balance the scalp's natural pH, controlling excess oil. Adds hydration and shine. Rose water is a natural moisturizer that can hydrate dry hair and leave it looking soft and shiny. Products with rose water for hair. These products include rose water to help keep the hair and scalp healthy. A multipurpose spray for skin, face, and hair. It is steam distilled and free from chemicals, making it a good choice for hydration and adding shine. Available from retailers like Nykaa. Produced using a steam distillation process, this product can help hydrate and balance your scalp's pH. Available from retailers like Nykaa. For extreme hair growth. For more pronounced hair growth, consider using products specifically formulated for that purpose, as rose water's benefits are primarily focused on maintaining a healthy scalp. Bare Anatomy Rosemary Water Hair Spray. A blend of rosemary water and rice water. It is formulated specifically for hair growth and thickness. Available on Amazon.in. Thrive Co Rosemary Water Hair Spray. Contains 8% natural rosemary extract, rice water, and hyaluronic acid to promote hair growth and control hair fall. Available on Amazon.in. Castor oil. Many users mix a few drops of an essential oil like rosemary or lavender into castor oil, which is known for its ability to promote hair growth, to create a nourishing pre-shampoo treatment. Feedback in healthcare education is a two-way process of exchanging information to help learners improve performance, build skills, and develop self-awareness. It's crucial for identifying knowledge gaps, reinforcing good practices, and fostering growth, but it must be timely, specific, and delivered in a constructive environment. Effective feedback focuses on specific observed performance, compares it to a standard, and includes an action plan for improvement. Key principles and importance. Aids in improvement.